Hi, today I'm making a delicious twist on classic African snacks chin-chin with blended plantain. If you love chin-chin and plantains, this is the perfect combination for you. I'm using 2 plantains. Remove the skin. Cut it into pieces and get it ready for blending. Pour it into the blender. You could add some water for blending. I'm pouring the flour into the sieve in order to prevent lumps and smoothing the flour. One tablespoon of nutmeg, 3 tablespoons of natural sugar, and about half or 3/4 of Himalayan salt, 50 grams of butter. Here I'm mixing all the ingredients together. You could use your fixed mixer just to make it much faster and easier for you. I'm pouring the plantain liquid into this flour. Mix it thoroughly until it makes very smooth dough. Now your dough is ready. Try to get your cotton ball for the flour. Sprinkle the cotton ball with the flour. Leave the dough. Cut the dough into 4 sections with your cutter. Take your portion of your dough. Use your rolling pin to flatten it. Roll it out as thin as possible to ensure you get the crispy chin-chin. Now I'm using a pizza cutter to easily cut the flattened dough into squares for the chin-chin. This cutter makes the job quick and precise, and if you like to grab one, I've linked it in the description below. I'm filling the pot halfway with oil for deep frying and heating it over medium heat. You can use any oil of your choice for this step. Start by test frying a few dough pieces in the oil to check its readiness before adding more. You will know the oil is ready when the dough floats to the surface. Keep stirring to ensure the chin-chin turns evenly golden brown. Then transfer it to a separate bowl. I use the sieve on top of the bowl to drain out excess oil. This is your perfectly golden crispy chin-chin. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you try it at home, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.